What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we are back at the cabin. Had a wonderful, cozy, warm sleep. I just ran to the store this morning, got some supplies for us, and I got the solar up and running. We're pushing 430 watts right now. That thing got pretty low because it wasn't connected the whole time. The fridge is running full time. TV has been working great too. That's barely pushing any watts. That's pushing like 60. So this thing is running absolutely great. I just cleared out a bunch of this cardboard. Sorry for that. I'm going to start slowly burning all this cardboard today to get that out of the way. I just opened our other 2 solar panels. So we have a total of 5 solar panels right here. And, if we have, which we will have extra wood, the 2x4s, I'm going to build a stand for these. I don't know if that's going to happen today or not, but today we do plan on getting at least one wall up because the shower is coming, and I want to make sure the dimensions for the wall for the bathroom is absolutely perfect for that shower. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to put the bedroom wall up. That's the one that we're going to do. I believe it's going to come to this double stud right here. That one, and we're going to run it right here. And we're going to get to organizing all this stuff. Whatever we have to take out, we will. We're going to find tons of storage spots because most of this stuff, I feel like we either could get rid of or we can find a better spot for it. But yeah, lots of organizing. And then we're going to be getting to the 2x4. We just have a lot to do today. And you guys are going to come with us for the whole journey. So stick around. Here burning up our cardboard. And then we're going to have tons of ash. So we're going to try to use that ash for our plants to give it tons of nutrients. But these are the last 2 boxes we got. And then we are done with a little burning. But yeah, it's actually a really beautiful day. I believe it's like 60 something degrees out. Very, very nice up here. Isn't it, Jessica?
Very nice.
All right, so one thing I gotta say before we start off this video and this building process is thank you guys so much for the subscribers. We hit 1,000 subscribers yesterday and we were so happy. But yeah, we appreciate you guys, every single one of you, and all the support that you've been showing us. But we're going to be starting off with, I got a circular saw, I got a nice little drill, and I have my little impact right here. So I got also a nice big pack of screws. These are the square heads deck screws. I prefer those because I always have a problem with the Phillips. They just always give me crap. So deck screws are my go-to, and these are nice thin ones. I believe they're 2.5 inch, and it's gonna make this process really smooth. All right, guys, first things first is measure twice, cut once, as you guys know. So these are not true 8-foot ceilings. These are 93 inches on the dot. So 93 minus 3 inches, because 1.5 each for the 2x4s, which are going to be on the top and the bottom. So I'm going to cut these 2x at 90 inches. And I'm going to go with the whole 12 foot. I believe this is completely 12 feet. Hold that, please. Thank you. You holding it? All right, all right. Yeah, this isn't even a full 12 foot. This is 137 3/4. Huh? It's just shy of 12 foot. So, with that being said, I think I'm gonna do 15-inch studs spacings, but I don't believe I need it because it's a non-load bearing wall. I believe I can go 24s just to save some wood. So I might do that. We will see. All right, guys. Sorry about the last video. The lighting was super bright, so you probably couldn't see really much of anything, especially the laser on that circular saw. So I decided I'm going to do 24 inches separated because I'm going to save a lot of 2x4s. I need a lot extra so I can do the solar panel the whole rack thing that I'm gonna make there. So far I cut 2 of these and it is coming out good. Jessica's over there resting because she just put in some work and a couple of screws. But yeah, it's coming together. We just have a few more to do. This is my square. It's not the best thing in the world, but it'll work. Just you watch. Pulled out my other saw also because the blade on the that gray one over there is very, very dull. You can smell the burning wood. For all of this, so go ahead and cut it away.
So I did 11.
Yep, 11 inches, and she's gonna be cutting it. Hold on, what you want to do is make sure it's sticking off. Yeah, I'll step on this.
Okay.
Make sure you don't got no movement. All right, watch the cable too. Make sure you don't cut the cord. That would not be good. All right.
How did you go, above?
Just pull it your way, like towards your legs. Or like that, yeah, that'll work too. Just it likes to go towards the blades, so just be careful. All right,
It does.
here she goes, guys. She's about to get. Perfect. She just killed that cut. Absolutely amazing.
Cool.
Beautiful. Yeah, I told you you're a carpenter. We got a wall up. One wall up, solid, leveled. Everything looking good. We're gonna go ahead and build the second one. We're not gonna put it up yet until we get the shower, just so we can get the shower perfectly snugged in here where we want it. And then we'll mount this wall down, and then we could mount the shower and all that good stuff, and then build that back wall right there. But we're just gonna make this one for now, for the time being. And we'll just lean it up against this until we get the shower, which is going to be Monday or Tuesday. And then that'll be basically it for the shower. I mean, I'm not gonna build this back wall yet until we get the shower here also, because I want to make sure that that is precise. But yeah, we have a bedroom. Here we go. Oh, I got the hiccups. We got a bedroom also. Look at this. We're pushing 715 watts. 3 hours left to full charge. This thing is running like a champ. That saw takes about 600 watts every time we use it. The fridge has been running this whole time. Working like a champ.
And there we go. They're all cut, huh?
Yep. All cut and ready to go. Now I just gotta measure the 24s up.
Okay, sounds good. I think
there she is. She was hiding.
like Roku.
I know.
He's over there hiding. Okay, that happened.
We're at it.
There we go.
Done. So, all right, guys. So we got the 2 walls right here. We are pretty much finished with this. I don't want to move further until we have the shower. We do have the toilet. The toilet's already in the back of the truck. We got to unload all that stuff still. We also got a window for the bedroom. We're going to be placing it right there. And that's going to be a nice, because the bedroom has 0 windows right now. That's going to be a video in the future. So we're going to be cutting out the hole, framing it up, doing all that good stuff. But anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. And thank you guys for your 1,000 subscribers. We definitely appreciate you guys. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.